When we restore your pavers, first we deep clean with a 3-step process. Then we remove any weeds and remaining sand. Next, we apply new joint sand to stabilize the pavers. Third, we apply a flood coat of urethane sealer to harden the sand and lock in the pavers. The sealer gives a deep color enhancement and some sheen to the surface. Last, we put a final mist coat of sealer for that final shine.